Yeah, when you think about scouting, some farmers will say, well, I don't need to implement scouting. It looks good from the road, but why wonder when you can know? You don't know what you don't know, and the more data that you can collect to make those decisions, the more profitable you're going to be. Our philosophy is the more data that we can collect, the better decisions that we can make. Last year was the first year that we kind of started experimenting with drones. We can do about 1,000 acres a day. Yeah, outside of plant stand emergence, we're doing things like weed scouting. So for post-emergence applications to determine if you need to apply herbicide or not apply herbicide. Drone collects the images and then processes that information through the software, and the artificial intelligence can actually identify and quantify the weeds in the field. We're going to be able to provide a variable rate post-spray recommendation to the farmer to where he can save significant dollars to where he doesn't have to apply the chemical across the whole entire field. So there could be areas of giant ragweed and he just needs to do some spot spraying throughout the field. Determining if you have nitrogen deficiencies or any sort of nutrient deficiency, and disease scouting. I think that's going to be some really cool technology to where if you think about the way we do disease scouting now, we walk past the inrows and maybe check a couple 100 feet into the field, to where now, once again, you got a 100-acre field, you're going to have 100 data points in your field to determine if you have northern corn leaf blight pressure or gray leaf spot pressure throughout the field, and be able to make some really precise images instead of just guessing, essentially. It can not only tell you that it's weeds, but it can also identify that it is in fact a giant ragweed. So in this particular image here, I'll pull it up real quick, and you can see that there's some issues here, and the grower needs to take immediate action to get this under control. If you are interested in the technology, I do encourage you to get in contact with one of our consultants, and if you want to try a field or two, we can definitely try and fit you in the schedule, especially when it comes to time for disease scouting as well. I think that's really going to be a huge ROI for the grower to be able to make better informed decisions when it comes to that time. So if you do want to find out more about this information, you can get on our website at integratedag.net and fill out our contact form, and one of our crop consultants will surely get in touch with you.